Welcome, everyone is a Realme 6S, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from SD card to the device and vice versa. So to get started, pull up the app tray and open up the file manager. Let's allow everything that pops up, and from here you'll see the two storages at the bottom. So you have the phone storage and the SD card, and I'm gonna look quickly for my files, and I believe, yep, there they are. So just a little tip, if you're looking for photos, videos that I have captured with the device, they will always be located under the DCIM folder. Now this folder can be on both locations, so either on the phone storage or the SD card, depending where the device saves by default. And then you have also downloads folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded from either your web browser, email, stuff like that. Anything downloaded will always be in here. Music, movies, podcasts, those should be usually empty unless you place something there yourself. And then you also have a pictures folder, which contains screenshot that you capture on the device, and that's about it. So find whatever file you want to move, which for me I will be using the photos right here, and you want to, number one, select it. And to select it, all you have to do is hold, and you can see that you will feel the vibration, and then you can see that it becomes checked, and you can simply tap on additional ones just to add them on. Now you also have the option to select all if you have started selection. So if I go back and I select just this one, you can see that then I have the option select all. So that's one way I could select all of them, or I could also go back and select the entire folder and move the entire folder along with all of its content, which is 5 photos inside of it. And once you have selected your files, folders, whatever it is that you want to move or copy, choose whichever one you want to do, move or copy. And if you choose copy, it will create additional set of the same files, so you'll have duplicates in 2 different locations. Well, if you choose move, it will completely remove it from where it is right now and move it to a new location. So select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with move. And once you tap on it, it will bring up the storages. So you have the phone storage and SD storage. So choose where you want it moved. I'm gonna go now to the SD card because right now it's on phone storage. So I'm just gonna move it as far as I can. And once you tap on the storage, it will open up all of its folder inside of it. And as you can see, there is already a DCIM folder, but it will be empty. As you can see, camera has zero files. So I could move it right here and overwrite this folder. I could also move it or whatever I want, honestly. But just to keep it organized, I'm gonna move it here. And you can see that camera already exists. Replace folder, let's stop replace. And we're back in the phone storage. And as you can see, DCIM folder is now fully empty. So if I go to SD card, I will have the camera folder right in here along with all of its content. And the same process for moving or copying objects, files, works basically the same way for any kind of file. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.